Hello, good afternoon, guys. This is Nanga Smile Trader. So in today's video, I'll just show you how I executed the market on Nifty expiry, on Nifty 50 expiry. So yeah, let me show you how I managed to book with. I managed to book 12,000 with a minimal capital. So firstly, let me show you my capital. So I input only 13,000 for today's trade. So with 13,000, we managed to book 12,000, which is almost like 100% ROI. So so today is really a good trade for me. It's a good day for me as well. Okay, so let me explain a little bit how today's trade was a roller coaster for me because, okay. All right, so yeah, as you can see in today's market opening, the market opens with a flat opening, let's say. So the market didn't have that much of confusion. Moreover, the market also have, the EML cross of 9 and 26 is just almost about to cross, and with the opening of this candle, the market started to go up, and with that positions we managed to book from in the morning. We managed to book 5,000. I have my position out there, and also my stop loss was at this candle. So in the morning session we were having a profit of 5,000, and okay, let me, all right. So okay, in the morning session we were having a profit of like 5,000. Okay, but after holding for a while, I thought I would just end it for the day, but I thought the market will actually give us another opportunity. So that's when I entered again with a long position again. So from here, with this particular candle, with this big capital, with this particular candle, I entered again, and this is when things went into a disaster. So so yeah, with this particular trade, I was having a loss of 7,000. Apart from the morning session profit. In the morning session, I was having a profit of 5,000, but then since today is the expiry of Nifty 50, the premium actually falls way too fast, and so even on the chart, even though the chart was, even though on the chart the market was not moving that fast, the premium was falling way too fast. So because of those reasons, my profit was also gone. At the same time, I was having a loss of 7,000 in a mid session, and so after that, what I did was, I was just looking at the market. So let me draw a little line, some lines based on what I actually studied in the market. So this was the trend which I was waiting for. So as you can see, the market was actually in between this range, as you can see. So I was waiting for the confirmation for the market to break this level, but since the market didn't go according to my plan, I was just looking at the market, and once the market actually tries to break this lower portions, I didn't immediately get into the market because of the losses. I have to be a little more aware of my losses or my daily losses. So that's when I was just waiting, and after some time the EMA crosses both the lines, and so this is where I get a confirmation, and I make a position of short position. I sell off, I buy the put options, and this is where things went into my favor, and we managed to book 12,000 with this particular trade. And in between I took so many trades, I can just only draw some few lines on my chart. But let me show you the orders which I took today. So yeah, so in total we we executed 80 orders, so which is really over trading, I would say. But somehow I was having that kind of adjustment theory in my mindset that I will trade a hero zero trades today. So because of those reasons, I was um, aware that I might be trading lots. So yeah, as you can see, the total tax which I'll be suffering from my profit, or which will be deducting from my profit, is like 1,700. So in total we managed to book somewhere around 10k. So yeah, that's a really good percentage, I would say. Yeah, that's all for today's trade, I think. And for tomorrow and for the coming days, I will try to post the initial inputs, the positions which I'll be making. But for now, I think that will be all for today's trade explanation. And also I will just explain a little bit about the portfolio which I have set, the strategy which I am trying. So this is not the real positions, these are just the paper trading. So see, I have two strategies. One is short iron counter and the other one is call selling. So with this, let me just first show you on my position. So call selling, on my call selling position, draft positions, we are having a loss of like 22,000. So let's say if the market actually still falls tomorrow, then somehow we might book a profit on that particular draft positions. And I am still thinking, I'm still hoping, with my analysis, I think the market will still falls below this level. The market is actually trying to break this level for tomorrow, I think. So with that kind of analysis I have in mind, I sell off the call positions in this Sensex. And for other position, for short iron counter, we are having a profit of 3,000. So see, as you can see, the lots I'm taking is just 2 lots, so it's just a minimal lots which I'm taking. And for the requirement of this particular trades, we requires 1.7 lakhs. So this is how it is. And for selling positions, for the hedging positions and all, we require a bigger amount, bigger capital to trade and to execute the positions as well. So that's how it is. In the coming videos, I will just post the positions, how I'm executing for the hedging positions. And also that basically is for Sensex. And so yeah, today I think that will be all for today's video, and thank you so much. Please stay connected with me so that I'll try to post more videos of my trading journey. Yeah, that should be all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys.